So folks, and welcome. It's great to have you here. As you can see, it's that time again. It's time to unbox. I've prepared everything, and here is the operation toolkit ready to go. Large package, small package. This is something more current. This here was a deal purchase. Let's take a look together. There is fresh stock of products again, and there were some really nice ones in the last few days. I'll set this aside for now, not to cut myself here. There was this really nice ADBL promotion at Waschguru, and I got really into it. I'm going to do things a bit differently today. Today we're going to unbox. In secret. So, there was this really nice ADBL promotion, and I stocked up on a lot of things. First, let's take out the biggest items here. Specifically 5 liters of interior cleaner. The prices were just amazing. So if you didn't take advantage of that, sorry, we can't help you anymore. 5L synthetic spray wax. I finally got the large refill pack here. Then I also picked up various other items for refilling as well as replacements. Here is Micro Wash, microfiber washing detergent, then Vampire Light. There should also be a spray head included somewhere. Yes, here are several. So here we have the first spray head. Then we have Snowball shampoo, U-Sand here as well. And here are more bottles. I'll take everything out right away. Here we have the insect remover, specifically the ready-to-use Beetle shoe squeezer. My tip is that if you want to mix it a bit milder, you can also mix it 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 with water. This will increase the quantity a little more. And you can also use this for regular insect contamination. It is really very strong. This means you don't actually need it to be as extremely strong as it is here all the time. That means mixing 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 with water in the bottle. Consider this a bit like a concentrate, even though ADBL actually sells it as a ready-to-use product. But my experience has actually shown that you can easily mix even 1-to-5 and still outperform most insect removers here with ease. Ad block, which means we actually need to have 2 spray heads included as well too. There's not enough space here, but a really nice ADBL chain here. Then I also got some new items, specifically the new 600 GSM edge-stitched towels from chemicalworkz, which are super soft and incredibly effective for the interior. So very nice, also top in color, and it has this slight edge on the side, a hem that is really very nicely sewn and super soft, so ideal also for the interior. You can also use it on the paint without any issues. So here it is in green, and the whole thing is also available in gray. I will leave it in the packaging for now. I'm already overwhelmed. There's no space left here. Then I got the interior cleaner sponge duo from SONAX's professional line, which is a scrub pad. Let's take a look inside. Still completely sealed on top. I'm seeing this for the first time with you all. It's quite large in my opinion. It's a bit larger than the normal scrub pads, so they might have thought, let's just make it a little bigger. It is completely stitched all around and has a SONAX tag attached to the side. So very nice. It's also a bit larger. On the back, we have this microfiber structure, similar to what we know from the V variants of the scrub pads. Otherwise, for me, the first impression is that this is definitely the standard scrub fiber. Works super well, and you can use the backside for application or for wiping, depending on how you want to use it. So here is a very nice large scrub pad from SONAX. And we also include the next few days in the videos. Then I also have a small cloth from Shiny Freaks with me, the Ultra Soft Duo Plush 30x30 600 GSM. I also got this to test a bit for you. With this small tab, you can carry it perfectly and hang it up. It's actually really nice and compact, and you can secure it with your finger. This means that when you use it over the paint or something like that, or in the interior, it won't slip out of your hand, or you can just hang it somewhere and use it, for example, to dry your hands. Various things. The cloths are all very versatile. And now we come to the second package. There was also a bit of restock here, specifically the 300 GSM cloths from chemicalworkz. However, this is the variant with these ultra soft cloths for the interior. I took another close look at everything, and I was just about to say that I actually also got cloths for Uni-Schwarz and such. So, the 600 GSM towels here from 2021 are absolutely top-notch if you have a solid black vehicle and are having trouble finding a towel that is soft enough in terms of fiber to avoid creating small micro scratches. And you really have a great start with the cloths here. That's why I took some home with me as well. Yeah, you don't always need 2, because you don't constantly have all black vehicles. I got 3 of those, and now we come to 2 more things, namely the new products of 21. I've got everything out, There's still something down here. What is that? Right, the small Swaps paint touch-up pens. You can call them whatever you like. They are included as well. We have ECOWASH from Gyeon and also the Total Remover. We will take a closer look at both of them in the near future, as they are somewhat of a response to Optimum No Rinse and various other waterless and rinseless products. Gyeon has now also caught up and launched its own product in this area. We read here that the whole thing is a waterless wash in a ratio of 1 to 10 to 1 to 15. And it also mentions something about rinseless washing, 50 to 80 ml in 12 liters of water. So the dosage is definitely manageable, because with 12 liters of water, or even with 10 liters of water, you can get really far with rinseless. You soak the towels in the finished rinseless mixture, and it actually absorbs 10 liters very slowly. You can probably fit 20 to 25 towels in there. I don't think you'll need that many. It smells like 2001, with a light lemony scent. It's not sharp in terms of acidity, so it doesn't have a sour smell, but rather a fresh one. It has a very fresh, very lemony scent, so it's very, very cool for application on the paint. Of course, dosage, cleaning power, and so on are important here. We'll take a look at all of this on the vehicle. But here I wanted to first talk to you about the scent, because people always ask what it smells like. I can tell you that it's a mix between lemon and a kind of freshness, so I find it very, very pleasant. Total Remover is also very, very exciting. It is supposed to dissolve sealants here as well. It removes old coatings, waxes, and high spots, and also water stains, for example. So this will also be an exciting thing. We will take a look at it in the coming days. The Total Remover from Gyeon. If you're not familiar with these little helpers, they are ideal for touching up stone chips, among other things. You can also use them to beautifully clean small gaps and crevices in the interior from cleaner, polish residues, or similar substances, as well as in the exterior. They have a small tip, and there are quite a few of them included. These small, what I will now call swaps, are also included. This is the paint swap set. You have quite a bit of material here, but it is a somewhat more specialized product. So with that, we are actually done with the unboxing. A lot of microfiber, new products, and plenty of supplies to test everything out. I also often need synthetic spray wax here for various tests, as it is included as well. And I keep having to get a liter bottle. It's still somewhere, but it's almost empty again. That's why I got it during the deal promotion. What did the canister cost, guys? Was it 32 euros? I can't remember anymore. So that was an absolute must-buy for the price. And of course, here's the best of ADBL also taken from the deals. Thank you for watching, everyone. Feel free to write in and let us know what you last picked up. What was included in your last order. That was quite a bit. That makes it 2 now. And that's why I wish you all a great start to the season. It's really getting underway now, and the weather is going to be very good. You send, and that naturally calls for new products, new tests, new comparisons, new instructions, everything that goes with it. Until next time, you're Sebastian. Bye, guys.